Hi, how are you? I'm Emmy. Welcome to Yoga with Em. Today I'm going to run through a sun salutation sequence with you. This is perfect for when you hop out of bed in the morning to get the energy flowing, to get the chi moving around the body. So the aim of this session, full body stretch, wake you up in the morning. Sun salutation in the morning is a perfect way to start the day. In Sanskrit, Surya Namaskara, it's also known as. So join me at the top of the mat. Bring your big toes together and your heels slightly apart. Stand tall. We begin in prayer pose. And we'll just settle in here. So lengthening right through to the crown of the head. Begin in mountain pose. Fingers energetically draw down towards the earth, grounding down through the feet evenly. Lifting the kneecaps, engagement through the legs, lifting pelvic floor, engaging your core, rolling your shoulders back and down, lengthening through crown of head. Tadasana, mountain pose. Next inhalation, sweep the arms up, full body stretch, extended mountain pose. Exhale as you fold on forward, Uttanasana. Bend the knees as much as you need here. Hamstrings are just warming up in the morning. Step the right foot back, drop the right knee, equestrian pose. As you exhale, tuck the toes, step the foot back, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana, making a downward V shape, lift the hips high. Inhale, high to low plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Lower down, release the toes, press into the earth. Bhujangasana. This is a gentle back bend, cobra. Exhale, send the hips back and high, downward facing dog. Right foot, step it in between the hands, drop the left knee, equestrian pose. Exhale, step the foot through, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale as you rise and shine, extended mountain pose. Lengthen, exhale, prayer pose. Let's take another round. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Exhale, fold on forward, Uttanasana. Step the left foot back a long way, equestrian pose. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Hips are lifted high. Inhale, high to low plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. Left foot, step it through or help it. Drop the back knee, equestrian pose. Exhale as you fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, rise and shine, welcome the day in extended mountain pose. Exhaling, hands to heart center. Let's begin again. Inhale, reach and lengthen. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, right leg, equestrian pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana, Cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot steps, equestrian pose. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, rise and welcome the day, extended mountain pose. Exhale, centered and settled. Last round. Inhale, rise and lengthen. Exhale, fold deeply, Uttanasana. Left leg steps back, equestrian pose. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot steps, equestrian. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, last time, rise and shine, welcome the day. Hands to heart center, prayer pose. Namaste.